Buenos días amigos, this is Luis from Lima, Peru. Today we are having a second unboxing. Let's get started. And the next product is an integrated circuit times 1. So only one. Which one will it be? Don't remember, and with the code I think I will not know which. Oh, come on. It's not an integrated circuit. It's I don't know, how do you call them? Expendable items. In Spanish we say consumibles because you use it and I have plenty of them. It's about the how do you call it? Dupont pins for connectors. Yes, I have about 200 of them. I use about 80 maybe, but I get low on this, and so I ask for more. What I don't know is that it has two sizes. I think this is the normal size, and there is another which is the short one. What's the difference? I don't really know, but I better have excessive than have that I have less of them. Like in Spanish, it's preferable to que eso sobre que falte. Okay, next product. And now we can see the description and a picture of this Dupont jumper wire cable housing female pin connector terminal. Wow, I call them Dupont terminals. It's really cheap, and it was cheaper before the pandemic. That's it. And the next product is something that says complex paste. I don't know. I suppose it's a material for soldering paste. Remember I asked for a syringe of flux, maybe something similar to that. Let's see. The last one was got some how do you say it spill inside because of the heat. Maybe I prefer to be careful with this one. Oh, they are about the same flux, but it looks to be alright. Yes, it's okay. On this one we have the RMA-223, and here we have the RMA-223. Oh, I just asked for something about 500, I don't remember what, but it's different. In this case, it's about the same size, the same thing, but it has different color. Why? I don't know. The same, the flux type, it's about the same. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know. But I will figure it out in the future. Something important, it came with a spare part. Yes, spare part. Oh, it's one for any of them, just to push it. And the better part is that it came with two pointy things. It's not sharp, okay, but it would make it easy to put in the circuit. I asked them for, because two of them is cheaper than one of them asked 2 times, yeah, but it came with 2 of them. Interesting. When I asked for them individually, I have a set of about 10 of them, but it's not expensive, but I only need 1 or 2. So when I ask for them, I prefer to have the spare of this and the 2 points. I suppose to have it for 1 year, so I need to ask for them kind of frequently. So I will ask always for this package of two. Okay, hope I can find today the another one, the RMA 5500. I don't remember what, which is kind of different. I don't know why. That's the reason I asked for the two numbers. Okay, next product.
And now we can see in the specifications for these two flux. It's in the picture. It's about the same code but different color. Same volume, the same lot. I don't know why. Okay, you have nice pictures, exactly as I received, and here we have the price about this. Now you can see it's not deliverable to Peru, but it was before. That's it.
And the next product is an electronic component. Let's see. Scissor this time. Okay, let me. Ooh. Well, that's the card. Not important, but I was worried about having the scissor cut it. No problem with that. It's the UFO Electronic Company Limited. More quantity, more discount. Of course. It's about in Shenzhen, China. Telephone, fax, the email, the MSN. Wow, kind of old. Oh, I need to use Hotmail like me. I am old. And the website, of course. This one are capacitors. It's called I don't know, CRB 455E. I suppose the E is the voltage expression of it. I don't know. I don't remember. Maybe it's for when I ask for the parts of the peak extreme low power, they recommend some components like these ones, which can be used with the extreme low frequency, but low frequency crystal, and it needs a pair of capacitors for each side of the crystal. But the crystal is about 3200. Yes, 3200 hertz. It's low, and it needs another kind of capacitors. That's for it. Next product.
And this is the information for the 455 kilohertz ceramic filter or crystal, as you can say. You can see some recommendations from Microchip to how to use this crystal. Here you have some tricks to how to use it in general, and also you have in here the brochure where you have for the XLP microcontrollers how to estimate the life battery, the models you have, and it all belong to a commercial brochure where they talk about the XLP peak microcontrollers. This is the brochure one, the extreme low power peak microcontrollers. That's the reason I buy this crystal, and maybe I think I asked for two of them maybe, but with this one is enough for now. Okay, that's it.
And the next item is diodes, in Spanish. Let's see. Supposed to be SMD diodes. Oh yeah, big box, not big product. Well, at least it's well packaged. Yeah, and it's the I don't know. The Chinese people have the word handwriting is understandable. Okay, it's LED SMD. Yeah, 206. Why 206? 43R or I don't know, 43. But it seems to be normal LEDs as in the SMD format. Why I need them? Because my products my projects need some LEDs. I think I have asked for 100 of them in blue color, and I don't have too many colors in SMD. It's not necessary too many colors, but I like to have some assortments of any colors. In the description you will have the description of this. Okay, next product.
And you can also have this order page from AliExpress, where I can check for the SMD LEDs I ordered the green ones, and after checking the product, it says it was green $1 at the load. But when I try to see the current product, look what happened. It says cannot be found, so I can't buy it anymore. And I only can see this information, and fortunately I have sometimes I have kind of item specification, at least the brand, and some description of the product, but in this case they don't put any description, they are just advertisement of the same store. But I can read it in here, but I can't look at the product or recommend the page. This web page only works for me because I am logged into AliExpress. Okay, but is an SMD LED, this format, this size, even this color, it's a little green over here, and it's the size. It's really it's small, 1206, the size of the package. That's it.
Next product is a screw. Ooh. I already received the M2.5 millimeters screw, but let's see what's in here. Start. Yeah. Okay, it's open. Oh, why I asked for that big nuts and that's not nuts and bolts, but why I asked for this size of assortment, I don't know. This one is okay. This one is for PCBs, sujeción, to make it stable on the PCB. Maybe when I have two PCBs, I can use it to separate the PCBs. I don't know. Better to have it. And why two? I don't remember. But at least they are correct. They are a screw. Am I a screw? No. Okay, next product.
And as you can see, there is the M5 5 pieces, M5 order. Okay, I have the M2.5 order. Okay, that's okay, but why I ordered the M5? Maybe it was a mistake on my order. Of course I ordered that, but why do I ask them? I don't remember. The product itself, it says it have many sizes: 2.5, 4, M2, M3, and M5. I ordered this one, length 10 millimeters, and M5 also 10 millimeters. I am not sure what I going to need to have. Maybe 2.5, 3, or maybe 2, because sometimes I ask for. I made some small PCBs, so I need a small size thread. It's about M2.5, maybe 3, maybe 2. I will check, but not M5, too big. Okay, that's it.
And the next one is item 39. It's integrated circuits. Oh, integrated circuits are by this side. Let's be careful with that. So let's use a knife better. And open, pointing to up, the up direction. Okay. Oh, there are no integrated circuits in here. It's simple jumper wires, male to male. Oh, a long time I didn't ask for them. Sometimes I prefer to ask for male-female, which is not really easy to get in here in Lima, Peru. This is simple ones. I think I asked for them because they are cheap. Okay, next product.
And I wasn't wrong about the price. It's about $1.42. It's cheap. That's the reason.
And our next product is connectors by 2, but it didn't look like connectors. It's kind of heavy. Oh, let's watch it. Let's open without broken the product or cutting the product. Okay. Oh, these are connectors. Okay. It's connectors. It's connectors. But is how do you say? Jumper wires, I don't know. Espadines in Spanish. This one is kind of different. Why? Because it's not completely straight. Maybe you can, hope you can see it. I don't know, but it's slightly not broken, but it's not exactly straight. So you can use it to SMD projects and solder them directly to the PCB board. And this one you can use it for anything, but this one have a bended, and you can use it to solder directly to a PCB. And this one is I call them because I used them long time ago. We used to call them Phoenix contact connectors, which is the mark, but fake mark. But this is for 3 connectors. It's easy to connect, to put in a PCB board and connect them. Simple, practical. I need them last project, so now I ask for them. Kind of original ones, yes, the color is kind of original. The quality seems to be alright, not bad. Maybe not the original Phoenix contact, but it's, yeah, hard to connect and disconnect, and it's okay. Good ones. I also ask in some other products the striped ones. Okay, next product.
And now you can see the reason I asked for these connectors, because it's bended. It's a practical thing. I used to bend it by hand with a plier. It was difficult. So now you know why I asked. And the other are the kind of Phoenix contact connectors.
And the last product, number 41, is integrated circuits by 5. I don't know, it's really low profile, so let's see what's inside. By the way, I hope you like my unboxing, or mailbag as you prefer to know it, to call them, and I hope you can see next time. Okay, this chips is difficult to read, but it said LM358M. I don't remember, but it seems to be a amplifier. Sorry, I don't remember the name of this amplifier. So still with amplifiers, yes. I don't know why I asked them for, but it's for my repository. And with that, number 41 is the last product of them. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.
And this is the AliExpress page for the LMV358. It has no information, but if you look for the information, you get the datasheet, and it shows you the typical application, and it's a dual, in this case, a general purpose low voltage, yeah, it's a low voltage one, amplifier. It could work for small voltages. For example, I could use it to amplify maybe the voltage for a ESP3266. It works with 1 volt only, so it will improve the response of this analog signal. In any case, if I need any amplifier in SMD, now I have a double one.